Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on autosave in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word and I'm going to show you how you can activate autosave feature. First of all, we need to go to the Microsoft Word setting, go to the file and then go to more options. And you're going to go to the save option, and here you'll be able to activate autosave while stored in the cloud by default in Word. Make sure you click on this checkbox and then you can activate the save auto recover information every for example, I'm going to choose 5 minutes. Okay, and we'll get to click on this button to save the setting. And then here you can go to the autosave and activate the autosave like this, and make sure you have logged into your laptop with your Microsoft account so you'll be able to activate the autosave feature. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on autosave in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.